These are the little place settings from the Christmas Fabazine, and these are ever so easy. So I've taken the fabric pieces and as a set of 6, ironed them onto some fusible webbing, cut them the right way out, and then as you can see, the fusible webbing is attached to the back of the fabric and the backing will just peel off for you. So I've done all of those, and then these will actually kind of snap and twist out of here. There's little notches in the centre which hold them all together, but they'll just snap and twist out. So the bit with the little slot in, that will form your base. Let me shuffle that out of the way. And this piece, that will form the bit that slots into it, and that will stand up to make your little place setting. So to attach the fabric onto here, as I said, we've attached the fusible webbing onto it, and it is just a case of putting it the right way up and then taking it to the ironing board and running a hot iron over there, which will then press that and hold it into place. Now, each of these little gaps, you actually get some extra ones of these, so if you want to take them off and replace them with different names on, you absolutely can. However, if you've got a heat erasable marker, you can write the name on and then iron it off, ready for the next year.